budget 383 stroker, Vortec heads, mild chem, RPM air gap intake. All in all, I have under $1,000 in this 383. We're going to take out this El Camino real quick and see if she rips with this budget 383 in it. And I've had this engine in it for a while now. Now keep in mind the rear gears are 241 gears with a mini spool in them. So it has a very, very tall gear ratio with this turbo 400 automatic. So most pulls will be in first gear.